Hi there, I'm Anna from Encom Energy and I'm here today at David Scott Tiles in Belfast, where we installed a large commercial solar PV and battery storage system to help them reduce their energy costs and cut their carbon footprint. This installation features 37 high-performance panels, producing 15 kilowatt of renewable energy, paired with a 10 kilowatt hour battery storage. David Scott Tiles is on track for an impressive 5 to 6 year payback, ensuring energy security and long-term savings. If you're a business in Northern Ireland or the Republic of Ireland and you're looking to reduce your energy costs, safeguard against rising energy prices and lower your carbon footprint, we would love to help. Contact Encom team today to see what we can do for your business.